everyone and welcome back to this channel. Coming up, I will be showing you an easy but very flavorful recipe of the real authentic Jamaican Escovietch fish. Here we have some big nice clean snappers. They have been scaled and gutted, and now we're just gonna be washing them off with some vinegar and some lemon juice, and that is going to deactivate the rawness and offset the flavors in the fish. Now, to make these more manageable, we're going to be cutting these fishes into smaller pieces just before we fry them. And guys, please go ahead and support this channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified once we drop new videos. Now we're taking a very important step to dry the fish just before you apply the seasoning. Because if you put the wet fish in the oil, then it's gonna be a problem. The fish will fall apart even before frying. So to add some extra flavors to the fish, we are gonna be seasoning with salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, and allspice powder. Right now we're scoring the fish, and that's going to be very important in allowing the fish to absorb all the flavors from the spices. In this pan on medium heat, we're adding some olive oil, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh ginger, garlic cloves, and some allspice. Now this part of it is optional, but if you want to really ignite the flavors from all these spices and allow them to seep into the fish as they fry into the oil to give that long lasting flavor, then you can go ahead and do this. Okay, now is the time for the most exciting part of this dish, the Escovietch sauce. So in this pan we have added some vinegar, and now we're adding the julienne carrots. We're going to be adding some chopped onion, some fresh ginger, some fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, cinnamon, some sugar, some coconut oil, and a little bit of salt to balance out the sugar. I'm also going to be adding some bell pepper, which is optional, but I'm going to save those for the very end because I want to preserve the flavor. And guys, once again, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button because that's the best way to support this channel. Also give this video a like to show that you are enjoying this recipe. Now guys, look at the Escovietch fish. They are ready, so colorful, and it is very tasty, also very easy step-by-step recipe that you can try this Easter. You can serve it with fried plantain, festival. You can have your Easter bun also on the side. If you enjoy this recipe, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please go ahead and support this channel so that we can continue to bring you more delicious recipes like these. Also hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to know when we drop these videos. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this recipe. Once again, I thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.